Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Pam from Pam and Jay's TV. It is early in the morning. I'm about to do this prank on my man. He's still in the bed asleep. As you can see, I got this vacuum cleaner. I done mostly already unhooked it, so I ain't got to do too much when I go in there. So just bear with me while I prank his ass. Everybody up in the house but him. The kids up, I'm up. He finna be up. Shh. Okay. This is the door to our room. Okay. Okay, you guys, I have to come back in this other room. I got the vacuum plugged up and everything already, but I thought I woke him up because I bumped the door a little bit, but I didn't. Now I'm gonna go back in here and do this prank. That's a good wake up, isn't it? Got that ass.
Damn.
Oh, poor little Tink Tink.
What are you doing?
Look at you. You gonna get up now?
Hey.
If I can't suck your lip, I suck that head up. Well, I just wanted to mess with you this morning. That's all I wanted to do. Looking good, laying in their bed, still asleep.
What time?
I think a little after 10.
Move to the bathroom, man.
It's not even plugged up no more.
Damn. God damn. Damn. That shit hurt.
No, I get up.
I'm about to, man. Move to the bathroom now. Stop. Move.
It's not on. I'm
It's
just.
plugged up over there.
It's plugged up, but it's not on.
Okay, baby. Go on.
What time you go to bed last night? Anyway, this is Pam from Pam and Jay's TV. I'm gonna leave this dude alone. Baby, to the leave.